Okay, here we have your PAX E700 point of sale system. We've got the machine itself, we've got the cash drawer, we've got the wired USB connected scanner, we have the surge suppressor, the keyboard and the mouse. We'll move on to unboxing each of these items next. Stay with us. Okay, let's take a look at your PAX E700 system. We'll go ahead and get it unboxed here. This one is a little bit easier, but there are a few items that are on the top of the box that you'll want to remove first. We've got the power supply and the power cable. They also provide a small roll of receipt paper so you can try out the receipt printer. With those items removed, we can go ahead and take the PAX system out of the box. Alright, let's go ahead and tip this up on its end. That way we can easily remove the styrofoam. And we can lay it over and remove the other side. And then we can remove it from the packaging. That is the contents of your PAX E700 system. Here's what you'll see in the box. It's all packaged up, nice and clean, ready to be unboxed. Let's go ahead and remove this. One of the items to take a look at here, there are some keys that are taped to the top of the cash drawer. You want to make sure and set the cash drawer down on the feet side rather than on the side with the keys, otherwise it will scratch up the top of your cash drawer. You can see those keys are kind of taped to the top there. You want to make sure and keep these in a safe place. I would recommend not inside the cash drawer. Okay, so the items we have at this point are the keys, the connection cable, and the cash drawer itself. To connect the cable, go ahead and tip the cash drawer up on its side, and the wider end of the cable is going to plug in just like that. At this point, we're ready to put the cash drawer into place and get ready for the next item. All good. Next, we have the wired point of sale barcode scanner. Let's go ahead and open up the box and see what we've got. Okay, the items that are included in the box are a quick start guide, the scanner holder, the base for the holder, the wire that will connect the scanner to the PAX system, and the scanner itself. Let's go ahead and get them connected. Okay, we have our scanner pieces assembled. Now we're ready to just go ahead and set it in place. Let's move on to the next item. Okay, our last two items in the point of sale bundle, we have the wired keyboard and mouse to help your salespeople get customers through quickly, and we have the surge suppressor. We will help you connect these a little bit later. We've got the surge suppressor, we have a coax cable, we have a phone cable, and we have an Ethernet cable that came in the surge suppressor box. The coax cable, not necessary. The phone cable, not necessary with the point of sale system. We do recommend that you use the Ethernet cable, and we'll come back to that here in a moment. In the keyboard mouse box, we had just the mouse, USB connection, a USB connected keyboard. We have all of our point of sale items unboxed. Let's take a look at how all these items connect together. Okay, we're going to take a look at the connections to the back of your E700 system. They've done a great job of labeling things here, so it's really pretty straightforward. But we're going to start over here on your surge suppressor. This surge suppressor includes a network surge suppressor as well. You want to take the cable that plugs into your network outlet, probably on your wall, and you want to connect it to the in port on your surge suppressor. Then we have the network cable that's going to go to the PAX E700 system. We're going to plug that into the out port. They snap in pretty good. We've got the other end of that Ethernet cable. That's going to plug into the LAN port over there on the PAX E700 system. We've got the USB cable that goes to your keyboard. You'll see here on the back of the PAX system they give you 4 different ports. It really does not matter which one you connect these into. So let's go ahead and plug that keyboard into the top port there. The USB cable to the barcode scanner we'll go ahead and plug in to the next USB port. And then we have the cable that goes to the cash drawer. That's labeled right here. And we have the unique PAX cable for power. That plugs in right here on the end. And the only cable we have left is the power. That is it, the entire connection for your PAX E700 system. Okay, that is the setup of your PAX E700 point of sale bundle. If you have any questions, you can reach us at deviceteam@evasys.com. Viva la Lou!